Yeah, welcome to the YouTube video, and in this video we are going to be unboxing the new amazing, just a second. Yeah, we're going to be unboxing the amazing package that I got over. So let's see what we got here. There's the packaging, and as you can see, I just used the razor and okay, here's the package. And as we have, this is the package. So let's keep the bill aside. Look what we got here. It's the Mi Powerbank 3i. It's one of the best-selling power banks on Amazon. Look at that. Yeah, shall we? Shouldn't be a problem. So this is the 20,000 mAh power bank, and as you can see, these are the specifications for you. You can pause the video and watch out. And this is the 20,000 maH model. Micro USB port input is supported. And without any further ado, let's try it and open it, shall we? Okay, here's the package has been opened. Let's open it. So here's the package itself, and here's the power bank itself, and the user manual that we won't be reading. Let's see if they have given a charging cable. I hope so. At least they've given a Type-C charging cable. So they've given a Type-C charging cable, which is useless for me at this point because I don't have any Type-C device. So it's good to have, you know. So the Type-C charging cable is included. Let's open the power bank itself so you can see. Yeah. Let me just see if it's even including. Okay, this is the power bank itself. So the power bank does not come with any kind of, there is a button itself. Okay, there is a button. And there's a button on the right side where you can use to turn it on. And as you can see, it has some LED indicator whenever I click it. And these are some input ports you can see. Alright, so it's kind of useful. If you want to buy, I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. Alright, so that's it. It's quite Xiaomi's famous. I guess it has 2 input ports and 2 charging ports. And let's see how it works out. Thanks for watching this video. See you till next time.